dog doesn't want to work. I force her to work. All this because I'm shaking my leg. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Boop. Okay, I'll stop. I'm sorry. To go bye-bye.